everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. Alright, so this is another resin crafting video. I'm very new to resin, so I'm just playing around with it. So what I've done in this video is I've pretty much put resin in between an existing necklace charm. So this is a unicorn one, and it's a bit hard to see right now. This necklace originally just came with like a gap in between this unicorn, like an open bezel charm, and I've just put resin into it. Made it all pretty and glittery, a little bit more pastel-y colours. So this is how I did it. Alright guys, so today I'm going to turn this already super cute unicorn head necklace into something more colourful and even cuter. Alright, starting off, we're going to fasten this unicorn pendant to some sticky tape. Next, I'll be using UV colour resin, blue and a pink colour, to do the two nice mixy colours in there. So starting off with the blue. Gonna squeeze as much as I like in this section. Do the same thing to the pink. Then I'll get my tool and I'll mix up the resin so that it reaches to the edge of the pendant. Okay, now I'm going to put this under some UV light, because it's UV resin, so that it can cure it. Next we're going to mix up some resin and put some pretty glitters in there. I've got this pretty white one and I've got this nice purpley looking one. Alright, let's start that. Squeeze some UV resin. Add glitter, as much or as little as you like. Mix that up. Then I'm gonna add it on top. Just spread it out so that it touches all the edges. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to cure this under the UV light. And once it's finished curing, just make sure that you take it off from the sticky tape. And there you have it. Your cute little unicorn necklace pendant is even cuter now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next week. Bye!